Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching fruit names in Zulu. Okusathunduluka. Okusathunduluka. Okusathunduluka means cherry. Ibilikosi. Ibilikosi. Ibilikosi means apricot. Ipulamo. Ipulamo. Ipulamo means plum. Ukhukhunati. Ukhukhunati. Ukhukhunati means coconut. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.